Hello and welcome to TheGhostOfSabotage once again, and Glasgow School's rowing club. Okay, this is the school for the rowing club. Apparently, not doing any schooling at the moment. No plaques, no information whatsoever at all. Yeah, absolutely nothing to report besides that plaque up there. Focus University of Glasgow Boat Club. Okay. A bit far. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty much it, really. University of Glasgow Boat Club. Oh, look, some. Is that swans? Or is that just weird ducks? Or are those just seagulls? Probably, yeah, seagulls, not swans. Clearly not fucking big enough to be swans. Yeah. Anyway, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, tally ho.